So this here is a lead up to our final art piece, and we're going to do a bit of laughter therapy. Not that I'm an expert in laughter therapy, but I love what it does. Laughter therapy started in India, and I can't even remember the name of the person who started it, but I love the whole thing about it.
Could have been Guru Haha.
Yeah, it must be Guru Haha, absolutely. But what it started out with, the belief that laughter can actually release things inside us, and it actually found out that it also releases chemicals within inside us, and it can heal us. And they have actually found out that people that are seriously sick become healed just by laughing. And you will find if you do laughter therapy and you really go into it, like they do in India, they meet, it's a free movement that happens all over the world. And you can come and join these sessions anywhere and take part. But if you are following a laugh session, a laugh therapy session for an hour, you will actually find out that you get sore muscles. There's tons of muscles in our body that we don't use very often. So some of the muscles that we would feel can be our stomach muscles. Just imagine, ha, ha, ha. Then it's like, we are contracting, but actually many places in the body. So it's a very good physical exercise, even though we don't think that it's more than having fun of a joke. So there's so many different types of laughing that we can have, like the and we can laugh of many things, and there's people that laugh and it's all part of it, and it's different things that we're using in the body as well. And the most fun thing is that these laughter therapy groups in India in particular, I know from the founder, when they started, it's just started with very few people, and in the end they have like a crowd of 200 people, and therefore they use a system to make sure that when we go from one session to the next, one section of laugh to the next, we use a system. And so everything starts off with ho ho ho, ha ha ha, ho ho ho, ha ha ha, and then we go into it. So that means that then it spreads out. If there's 200 people, then the leader of the laugh group says ho ho ho, ha ha ha, and then the closest, and then it spreads out. And in the end, nobody has to shout, stop, 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 don't laugh anymore. It's just a natural laughing. Hello, my name is, come play with me here. Hello, my name is Charlotte.
Hello, my name is Eric.
Hello. There's also different types of laughs. We could have more like the quiet laugh. We could all try and do the quiet. Yeah, we don't want to laugh too loud, so we can do that laugh. There's also this laugh where we are not supposed to be heard. We maybe think about something funny. I suppose it's time for the loud laugh. The really, really ho ho ho, huh? Santa Claus laugh. The really deep one. Well, it's just all of a little bit to start freeing yourself and getting a little bit of different energies into you. Just another way of saying, hey, we can create a different mood and a different mode. While we're actually getting some physical exercise, those of us that have been laughing, we might even be able to feel it in some of the muscles here. And also we do get more oxygen into us, so therefore we also, because we have to get the breath back in when we are laughing a lot. So this is just to have a different energy and a different lead up to your final art piece, which I will give you what is called a canvas board, where you can do your final art piece. If that's what you want to get out now, that will be depression. Yeah? But that's why I think for me, laughter is joy and happiness. For some, it might actually be coming a little bit to a barrier, you know, maybe that was something back in childhood where we were not, whenever we were laughing. So that's really hard to laugh, and we got to realize that not all of us can laugh, but we can practice, and the more we practice, then we can laugh and also get the full exercise. So it was just to show you many different ways of how to change the energy that can help to come into a creative mode.